Have you ever wondered what actually makes your computer fast or slow? Why some laptops run smoothly while others lag? The answer is the CPU. In this video, we will explain what a CPU is and how it works in a very simple way. What is CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of your computer. Just like your brain controls your body, the CPU controls everything your computer does. What does CPU do? Every time you click, type, open an app, or play a video, the CPU processes those actions. It takes instructions, understands them, and tells other parts of the computer what to do. How CPU works? The CPU works in 3 simple steps. First, it receives instructions. Second, it processes those instructions. Third, it gives output. This is called the input process output cycle. The speed of a CPU is measured in gigahertz, also called gigahertz. A higher number means the CPU can process more instructions per second, making your computer faster. Modern CPUs have multiple cores. A core is like a mini processor inside the CPU. More cores mean your computer can do multiple tasks at the same time. For example, you can watch a video and use a browser together. Without slowing down, many people confuse CPU with RAM. The CPU processes tasks, while RAM temporarily stores data that the CPU needs quickly. Both work together to make your system smooth and fast. Why CPU is important? Without a CPU, your computer cannot function. It controls everything, from opening apps to running games and even connecting to the internet. So let's quickly recap. The CPU is the brain of your computer. It processes instructions, it controls all operations, and its speed and cores determine performance. Now you understand what a CPU is and how it works. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byteboard, and tell us in the comments, what should we explain next, RAM, GPU, or how Wi-Fi works?